Are you ready to take control of your money and start building wealth? Mastering budgeting is one of the most powerful tools you can use to achieve financial independence. It's not just about tracking your spending. It's about creating a system that empowers you to make smarter financial decisions, save more, and invest wisely. Let's dive into the 7 keys that will help you master your money and set you on the path to financial freedom. The first key is setting clear financial goals. Without a target, it's easy to lose focus. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, and time-bound. Whether it's saving for a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, setting goals helps you stay on track and make intentional decisions about how to allocate your resources. Next, track every dollar you earn and spend. Knowing exactly where your money is going is crucial for effective budgeting. You can use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even pen and paper to record your income and expenses. By tracking your spending, you can identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more toward savings and investments. The third key is creating a realistic budget. A good budget should cover all of your necessary expenses, like housing, utilities, and food, while also allowing for discretionary spending, savings, and investments. The 50/30/20 rule is a great place to start. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. This balance ensures you're living within your means while still prioritizing your financial future. Cutting unnecessary expenses is another essential strategy. Once you've tracked your spending and created a budget, take a close look at your discretionary spending. Are there subscriptions or habits that aren't adding value to your life? Cutting back on things like dining out, impulse shopping, or unused subscriptions can free up money that you can use to pay off debt, save, or invest. The fifth key is building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a safety net is critical to protecting your finances. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. This fund should be used only for unexpected situations like medical emergencies or job loss, so you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans during tough times. Now that you've started saving, it's time to focus on investing. Building wealth for the long term requires you to make your money work for you. Start with simple, low-cost investment options like index funds, stocks, or retirement accounts. As your knowledge and comfort level grow, you can explore more advanced strategies to diversify and maximize your returns. Finally, regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Your circumstances will change over time, and it's important to stay flexible. Revisit your budget and goals every few months to ensure they're still aligned with your financial objectives. If you experience a change in income, expenses, or priorities, update your plan accordingly. By mastering budgeting and taking control of your money, you'll be laying the foundation for long-term financial independence. These 7 keys will help you take charge of your financial future, reduce stress, and build the wealth you need to live the life you deserve. The journey to financial freedom starts with the decisions you make today. So start implementing these strategies now, and take control of your financial destiny. Starting your day in a powerful way sets the tone for everything you'll achieve, not just in the next 24 hours, but in the long run. A strong morning routine is the foundation of a focused, healthy, and purpose-driven life, enabling you to consistently build wealth, achieve your goals, and inspire those around you. Begin with gratitude and intention. As soon as you wake up, take a moment to reflect on the things you're thankful for. Gratitude shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance, priming you to see opportunities instead of obstacles. Pair this with setting your intention for the day. What do you want to achieve? What's the single most important thing that will move you closer to your goals? Define it clearly in your mind. Physical movement is key to activating your energy. Whether it's a quick workout, a walk, or stretching, get your blood flowing. Exercise not only boosts your physical health but also clears your mind, reduces stress, and sharpens focus, all essential elements for tackling challenges and maximizing productivity. Feed your mind with positivity and knowledge. Replace mindless scrolling or distractions with reading, listening to an audiobook, or watching motivational content. Choose resources that teach you about personal growth, financial strategies, or leadership. Even 15 minutes a day can compound into life-changing knowledge over time. Have a healthy breakfast that fuels your body and brain. Opt for foods rich in nutrients that sustain your energy levels throughout the morning. A well-nourished body supports clear thinking, better decision-making, and sustained focus, all critical for reaching your goals. Plan your day with clarity and purpose. Write down your top priorities, focusing on tasks that align with your long-term vision. Use a system like the 80-20 rule to identify which activities will have the greatest impact. This prevents you from getting overwhelmed by busy work and ensures your efforts contribute to meaningful progress. Visualization and affirmations are powerful tools for success. Take a few moments to visualize the life you're building, the wealth, health, and happiness you desire. Pair this with affirmations that reinforce your belief in your abilities, such as, "I am capable of achieving my goals," or "Wealth and opportunities flow to me effortlessly." These practices strengthen your mindset, making you more resilient and confident. Protect your focus by limiting distractions. Start your day by tackling your most challenging or impactful tasks first, often called eating the frog. This momentum builds confidence and sets a productive tone for the rest of the day. Stay disciplined by setting boundaries with technology and interruptions. As you establish these habits, remember that consistency is key. A powerful morning routine isn't about perfection, but about showing up for yourself every day. By prioritizing gratitude, physical health, mental growth, and intentional action, you'll create a routine that not only helps you build wealth, but also inspires those around you to strive for their best. Each day is an opportunity to move closer to your dreams. By owning your mornings, you take control of your life. Over time, this daily discipline will accumulate into massive success, enabling you to achieve your goals, inspire your family, and leave a legacy that impacts generations.